Man, if I could drive, I think the world would be in danger.
Yeah, because you're Asian and a woman.
That's crazy! That's crazy!
Or lease.
In this video, I'm gonna be teaching my friend who doesn't know how to play this game how to fucking play the game. Let's fucking do this. Alright.
Okay, I've already played this once, twice, 3 times.
4.
4, yeah. This is my 5th time, guys.
6.
No.
7.
I'm locked in!
7.
I'm in the trenches! I'm so sorry. Stand beside me and enjoy the fruits of my labor!
I missed that shot.
Those are so
I missed
cute,
the
though,
revolver
but,
shot.
like-
Should I actually kill myself?
No.
Yo, chat, I'm gonna
YouTube, don't censor
oh
us.
my gosh, shit.
Gang, I don't think you can say that without us getting demonetized.
Say what?
Curling yourself. Editing that. Holy, editing that out.
No, I'm editing that out. I'm gonna be.
Oh, right. I'm multiing it. Wait, how do I?
Yeah, let's not
I'm
multi
multi
it, okay?
Help!
What are you?
I was trying to multi it,
How did I
bro.
miss that? What the fuck? That was right over him.
Oh, it wasn't actually.
Man, fuck you. My fault.
Whee! This thing's so cute, bro. I can't. I love multi.
Man, fuck multi. That's on game. Nah, actually, I fuck with multi. I changed my mind. Never mind. You chill. Don't worry about it.
Ah!
Getting
Help! Help! Bro, I tried to scream, but it didn't pick up, I don't think.
I wonder if it picked up on the recording.
Editor's note, it did.
That'd be fine.
Maybe. But Discord said otherwise. Multi saw me, bro.
It's a fucking robot. Good. How is he hitting me?
Because,
What the snake?
it's his
I'm sorry.
BBL. It's his how...
Yeah, Jersey.
I want to make a multi. But like...
I think you should make a job application, but you know.
I'm 14! Leave me alone.
Yeah, and I'm 46.
What?
Yeah, I've been grooming you this whole time. Though.
No! Ow!
No time to go, and you're not. Yeah.
You're not the goat, actually, because, you can't spell goat without an A, and I have 2 A's in my name, so I'm goated.
There's no A in goated.
Yes. What?
Yeah, sound it out.
G
It's
O
goated. So
A T.
B R.
What?
Hold on.
Bro.
Wait, no. Let me try. R.
Oh!
B.
I just got Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton.
Wait,
The fuck?
who electrocuted that elephant?
Shut the fuck up.
I'm so sorry. No! It happened again! Hear me out.
Oh my god.
Hello there! Like, they track you and stuff, cause, like, they want you for real.
Get a job.
Man, if I could drive, I think the world would be in danger.
Yeah, because you're Asian and a woman.
That's crazy! That's crazy!
I have no clue where the back of him is.
The back? Why do you want to hit it from the back, bro?
So,
Be a man.
Bandit has an ability where he deals more damage if I attack from the back. Bro,
Pink American flag, and it's Daryl Dixon.
yeah, have you found the one where you got a job?
Harsh, man.
I'm sorry for being so aggressive.
Oh, he
Can't
doesn't
take
like
much
women.
more.
He doesn't like women. He's sexist.
No, I love women. Women.
Me too. Women, if hit me up. Hit me up.
Yeah, for real. Hit us both up, actually.
Yeah.
My phone number is 5. I refuse any friendships. Sharford, why do you sound like you have Down syndrome?
How? What? What?
I love rage baiting you.
That wasn't even rage bait. That was
you're right.
crazy
That's just
work,
being
bro.
yeah.
I'm stealing your
My bad,
items.
guys. No, fuck you.
I missed that. I keep missing this. Get away from me! No. Whoa. I feel like young Sheldon right now. No, I don't. I don't
The
even
fuck kinda, alright. Yo, imagine putting a dislike on this video when I'm sitting here digging in my butt.
Bro. This is why people don't like us.
No.
Bro, hear me out on the geckos.
Now this is why people don't like us.
Nah, this is why people like us.
You just said people don't. Okay.
Yeah, I know, but there's some people who like
I'm
us.
sorry.
We have some friends. And by some, I mean like 2. And by 2, I mean me and you.
What away?
Why does this thing want to keep eating me? I don't think metal tastes good.
Shit, I mean, I ate a lot of as a kid. I think it does.
What?
I beg to differ.
Metal?
I eat a lot of coins now, actually. Going to be hard, you dumb fuck.
R2D2 on that beat, yo.
What
Had to
is
get
your
a
problem?
feature. And I love eating nachos on the beat. I go beat bop beep beep boop.
What is your problem?
Gang, that was hard and you know it.
No.
It was.
I think that would be hard if I was like 7 years.
If it was Kendrick, you'd say, "Oh my gosh, wow, that was so fire." 'Cause it is fire.
I'm going.
No, I'm flying. Woo!
I'm actually
Please,
What's the run for real? That's what I'm going.
please, let me get what I want this time.
Mike, can you shut the fuck?
Knows it will be. Ah! No! 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 No!
Alright, I'm for the green item. Grab whatever you want.
Yay!
Look at
R2D2
my
can jump
character,
real
dog.
high, look real
Look at my
fly.
character. This badass as fuck.
I'm just cute. What's the word? What's the hats? What's your major? That's what I feel like multi sounds like. Just so you know.
Hey, has anyone ever asked you if you're like on the spectrum?
My mom tried to get me tested once. It didn't happen. I'm talking to myself on a second.
I've just gotten used to it at this point. You're just a schizo.
I'm not schizo.
What if I told you I'm not real? Like I'm like Tyler Durden.
What?
I'm like your Tyler Durden, but instead of
I feel like
asking you
Moon
to
Knight
fight
right
me,
now.
whatever the fuck. Yeah, see now you're talking over me. Okay, not cool.
I'm so sorry. Is that a job application? Heck yeah. Oh. Never mind.
You stupid fuck. Alright, whenever you're ready, let's go. We're about to beat the game.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
The music here is like actually beautiful in the final level. I don't know if you yeah.
I'm pretty sure I have. It's white, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been there. with the matrix, mitosis.
Mitosis.
My toes itch.
Okay, wait. Let's race. Alright, start up back against the wall. Alright. I'm gonna use my control move. You just walk, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I think we went the wrong way. I thought we were heading back. You fucking dumbass.
Oh. 3, 2,
1, go. I would You're a normal walking as fast as previous group with the floor going.
Whee! Can I have this? Thank you.
Yeah, I want this white item though.
Yo, this is fire. Rain terror. I am Iran! I'm running!
Stupid as shit. That's goated. Wait. Never mind. I'm cooking. Oh no, it's working.
Don't worry, guys. He says this all the time.
No, I've actually never done that before. It's only because
Yeah.
I watched you fly across my room.
Too bad I can't see your POV. Ah, heck nah! Why does he want my booty?
Yeah, buddy. Take these bandit shots.
Back shot time.
Oh yeah. I'm risking it. I'm raining it.
Wait.
Oh wait, the moon's about to explode. By the way, I feel like.
That sounds like I'm knocking over bowling balls. Balls.
That's type shit.
If I was a man and I had balls, I'd pretend they were eggs.
We did it.
We did it. We beat the game the way I beat them. Extraordinary.
Wow.
That's still a cat. We did have to play with the cat.
It's not a fucking cat.
Yes, it is! Not to feel rude or anything, but my plant-based protein shake smells like yogurt. Like, specifically strawberry yogurt from that one brand.
When milk expires, it becomes yogurt. Milk expires, it becomes yogurt. When milk expires, then...
Someone make him shut
Yeah, alright. Well, that was just comparing to, like, subscribe, do all that shit.
Yo, for real, hit that button.
Yeah.
Please don't hit the dislike button. We need money.
We're not getting money. We're not getting... We are broke. Yes,
I love how that cut out.
Well, I'll see you next time.
Don't add that.
No, we're adding that. Alright, quit recording. Now!
Okay. He does this to me. Help.
One, two.
Okay.
More like 1, 2, am I right?
Bruh, okay.
I'm sorry.
Join my
Alright, are we
lobby.
recording?
Yeah, join my lobby.
Man, fuck your lobby, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That was rude of me.
Okay.
I want to
Okay.
apologize.
No swearing for 30 seconds.
Shit, you right?